Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this coming videos, we are going to talk about the topic cell as a unit of life. So we have heard about this term cell in our previous classes. Now in the coming videos, we are going to talk about in detail the structural and functional details of a typical cell. So first, in this video, let us introduce ourselves to this word or to this term cell. A cell is defined as the smallest structural and functional unit of a life. So these two terminologies are very important, smallest structural and functional unit of a life. So anything lower than the cell has no independent existence. So anything that is lower than a cell cannot live on its own. But when it comes to a cell, this is the basic unit that can be called as a living entity. So cell is the basic structural or smallest structural and functional unit of a life. The word cell, it was coined by the scientist Robert Hooke. Now Robert Hooke, he was working with a simple microscope. He was observing the thin sections of cork. Now while observing that, he found small honeycomb like structures. Now these structures was named as the cells by the scientist Robert Hooke. As you can see over, this is Robert Hooke. Now unicellular organisms can very interestingly be referred to a particular organism. That means a particular cell can act as a whole organism. So it can perform complex functions like that of the other multicellular organisms. So a single cell, that is unicellular organism, can independently exist. Another scientist known as Anton von Leeuwenhoek, he was the first person who actually saw and described a cell. He was using a compound microscope and he started describing the structural details of a cell. The invention of microscope was a very important turning point in the discovery of cell and its structures. With the help of microscope, actually the structural details of a cell got revealed. Now in the next videos, we are going to talk about the structural details as it has been found by using the microscope. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.